In this video, we're diving straight into how to use multi-form sequences in customer journeys. This is one of the most powerful tools to optimize customer engagement and guide your audience seamlessly through your sales funnel. Stick around till the end to learn how to make the most out of this strategy with the software I'll show you and get an exclusive offer for a free trial in the description below. Let's start with the basics. Multi-form sequences are all about using different forms of content and communication methods to engage your customer at various points in their journey. Whether that's through emails, text messages, or even interactive web forms, combining these into a cohesive flow helps you cater to your customer's needs at the right time with the right message. Here's the first step: mapping out the customer journey. Understand your customer's touch points, when they first interact with your brand, when they convert, and the actions they take along the way. Once you've mapped that out, you'll want to create sequences that flow naturally, so each form of communication is a step forward, not a distraction. For example, you can start with a welcome email or text, guiding them toward a lead magnet, then follow up with more personalized content like product recommendations or exclusive offers. Each of these steps forms a part of your multi-form sequence. The key is to personalize as much as possible to ensure relevance. Next, combine your forms. Don't just stick to one method. Use a combination of emails, pop-up forms on your website, or even SMS campaigns. This helps you meet customers where they are and keeps them engaged across different platforms. It also lets you create a more dynamic experience, which increases the likelihood of them following through with your call to action. The beauty of multi-form sequences is the automation doors aspect. With the right software, you can set up your customer journey once and let the automation take over. This is a massive time saver and ensures you're always reaching your customers at the right moment, no matter how complex the sequence is. To make this work, segment your audience. Not every customer should be receiving the same message. Use data points like behavior, location, or purchase history to trigger different forms or messages. A person who's just signed up might need a different follow-up compared to someone who's been a long-term subscriber or customer. Segmenting helps tailor your multi-form sequences to fit your customers exactly where they are. Now, to wrap this up, monitor and optimize. Multi-form sequences are not set and forget. Once you start using them, it's crucial to track performance. Are certain forms driving better engagement than others? Should you adjust timing, frequency, or messaging? Use analytics to refine and improve your sequences over time. Here's the key takeaway. Multi-form sequences are all about engaging your customers through different channels and touchpoints in a way that feels natural and personalized. Make sure your sequences are strategically mapped out, automated for efficiency, and always optimized based on performance. As a quick recap, first, map out your customer journey and create sequences for each stage. Second, combine different forms like emails, SMS, and web forms to increase engagement. Third, automate to save time and ensure you're always on point. Fourth, segment your audience to ensure your messages hit home. And finally, always monitor and adjust for better results. If you're ready to start using multi-form sequences in your own customer journeys, check the description below for an exclusive free trial of the software I recommend, only available to viewers of my channel. You can follow along, get a feel for the process, and see exactly how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.